Because there's actually no such thing as to like in Spanish. There's no such verb directly. Instead, the logic in Spanish is you have to say that it is pleasing to whoever it is, right? It could be me.
Yeah.
And so that's that logic. You might have heard of that in language transfer. You probably did, right?
Yeah.
So if I want to say he likes me, that would be, what do you think that would be?
Me le encanta. Me le gusta.
So think about it like this, right? He likes me. So the logic, if it is pleasing to me, means that I like it. He likes me would mean that I am pleasing to him. The verb to be pleasing to is gustar. So how do we conjugate verbs in the present tense? We take off the ar and put o. So we have gusto. And then how do we say to him? It was
To him.
or to her. It was, I guess I'll just say it. It's le. And then these pronouns come before the changed verb. And so because we took gustar, we took off the ar and put o, we changed it. And so now this le will come before gusto. And so we get le gusto, right? And so do we see this so this is why, to me, it's important to really understand that logic, right?